Hello, hi, Namaskar. I am Rajesh. Welcome to my channel Visionary Rajesh. You are watching the Visionary Rajesh channel. And before this start to this video, I want to say like I gonna show you the recent job notification. You can say like in this lockdown period, so all the companies are shut down, all the organizations are closed, so there is no vacancy for the job, and this is the serious issue. Like the people are educated, they are getting the certificate, they have means putting their valuable effort for their education, but they are not getting any employment opportunity. Okay, so it's my opportunity, it's my duty. As I am opening this channel, I will update regarding the job notification. So without any late, we start this video. So if you are new to this video, please support my channel so that I will get the motivation so that I can upload so many video. Okay, so during the notification, so during the subscription, you have to press the bell notification so that you will never miss my update notification. Okay, so this is the notification regarding Sambalpur District Cooperative Central Bank. So before to start this video, so I want to show this is my channel. This is my channel Visionary Rajesh. This is the logo actually. Are you liking my this logo, or you want to change this logo? Okay, so this is I like it actually. It depend upon your your suggestion. It's my Visionary Rajesh channel, so it's your channel, it's not my channel. You are all my family members, so you support this channel so that you also get the notification of the private government job also. So it's my responsibility to give the proper information. Okay, and another channel is my educational channel. Second channel is one FM station. So I have launched this Corona FM station. So before to stay at home, so that you can save from the coronavirus. Okay, for this purpose I have launched one Corona FM station so that I can connect to all the people, and for emotionally to mental to support the my audience, so that they will not face any depression. Okay, so they will enjoy, I can connect, and their voice also reach to their beloved. Okay, so this is my second channel Corona FM station, so support this channel also. So without any late, let's start our video. Okay, so this is the one notification I can show you. So this is the notification of the Sambalpur District Cooperative Central Bank Ltd. Okay, you can see directly, you can Google it, the Sambalpur District Cooperative Central Bank. Okay, the job notification is the support staff peon. Okay, you can see like I can show you. Okay, support staff peon in the bank. Okay, so this is the support staff peon in the bank. So in this section, download advertisement is here. So you have to download the advertisement before applying this job notification. You have to read all the eligibility criteria. If you are eligible, then you can apply. Okay, so otherwise don't waste the time. Okay, so this is the download advertisement. Whenever you enter the download advertisement, the download will be going on in the back side. So I already have downloaded. I can show you. The detailed information, Sambalpur District Cooperative Central Bank Head Office, the advertisement for the post of support staff peon in the bank. Okay, so there is the post for the support staff peon in the bank. Sambalpur District Cooperative Bank, one of the leading bank cooperative sector in the state of the Odisha, invite application for the candidates who are permanent resident of the district of Bargarh, Sambalpur, Deoghar, Jharsuguda. Fill up the 30 vacancies are also there. Okay, so vacancy number total 30 numbers are there. Vacant for the position is support staff peon. So who are belong to the, or who are the resident of the district of Bargarh, Sambalpur, Deoghar, Jharsuguda have to fill up for the 30 post of the support staff peon. Okay, it's a direct requirement. Before applying candidate, it's advertisable. You should go through the recruitment process and eligibility process. Okay, tentative schedule for the events is online registration of the application already started the May 6 to the it will be going on. The last date is 25. Okay, May 25 2020 last date. The payment of application fees May 6 to already start, last date is 25. Okay, return of examination through OMR sheet will be going on, so you have to give the offline exam. Okay, if you are qualified, then you will be selected as support staff peon in the Sambalpur District Cooperative Central Bank. Okay, examination fee. So for the purpose of the fee, I can say like for the, it's already mentioned, for the unreserved and SC BC caste, it's the 700 including GST. Then for the SC, ST, PWD and ex-serviceman 400 including GST there. Okay. So total number already I have said, like 30 posts are there. Men, for the men 10 posts are there. Women, for the women 5 posts. For the ST it's for the UR, okay, on reserve. For the ST, men 5 and women 2. For SC 3 and 2. For SCBC, men 2, women 1. Total 30 posts are there. Eligibility criteria is the application must be a permanent resident of area of operation of the bank, that is from district of Bargarh, Sambalpur, Deoghar, Jharsuguda. The candidate who are belong to particular that district which is already mentioned, like Bargarh, Sambalpur, Deoghar and Jharsuguda, are eligible to apply. Okay. Other districts are not applicable. Okay. Candidate must have 10th standard qualification or matriculation with Odia as one of the subject up to class 6. Okay. Sorry, 7th or its equivalent examination. After recruiting, the recruiter shall have to work within the area of operation of the bank within the branches located in the district of Bargarh, Sambalpur, Deoghar, Jharsuguda. Age criteria is 21. You have to fill up not less than 21 years as of the date of April 1, 2020. Okay. There is a relaxation for SCBC 3 years, for SC/ST 5 years, person with disability. For the PW candidate 10 years are already given. Okay. Reservation is already as per the government rules. What about the scale pay and other allowances? The support staff peon are eligible for the scale. The lucrative package are there. The peon staff will be the scale pay for the peon support staff peon will be 16,600 up to 50,000, 52,400 level 1. So it's a very I think actually it's a very lucrative package. So I think as a support peon you should never lose the opportunity. Okay. In the pay matrix as prescribed by the Odisha revised scale as per the 2017. Okay. Process of selection, shortlisting candidate will be done on the basis of marks scored in the class as per your mark obtained in the class X. Okay, matriculation and other required document as mentioned in the above. So there will be the offline exam will be going on, like the general knowledge 35 mark will be there, arithmetic 35, reasoning 30, total 100 question will be there, and the time will be given 120. Okay. There shall be no 5 hours test. So it's a great opportunity for you. You qualify the means the written exam. So you are directly recruited. Okay, as a support staff peon. So your salary will be very lucrative. Like, okay, so you should not level lose. Okay, the candidate had to apply online through the link specified in the bank website. So it's you should remember the website. Okay, www.sambalpur.dccp. Okay. .com. Okay, www.sambalpur.dccb.com. Okay, one recent passport size color photo. You can read all the details. Okay, so you can go through details. So documents to be submitted, photograph will be there, full signature also needed, matriculation certificate with the date of birth also needed, then identification verification like PAN, Aadhaar card also needed, passport, driving license in original, photocopy also there. Okay, downloaded call letter can be downloaded from the link specified in the bank official website. In the website you can get your call letter. Okay. Candidate have to use the registration number. You have to separate make it down like the registration number and password, so that if you will lose it, so you will never unable to to produce your call letter. Okay, for the examination. So you have to note it down in the separate sheet paper or in the mobile, or like you can save it another. Okay. General instruction you can read all the details. Then verification document at the final selection, or you have qualified, then it will be the counseling part. You have to submit your all original certificate like printout of valid system generated online application form. You should not like lost your your application format whenever you are applying. Okay, so proof of date of birth like a class X certificate or is needed, matriculation examination certificate, mark sheet also, resident certificate also, because if you are not belong to particular Deoghar, Bargarh, Sambalpur, so they will not select. Okay, valid caste certificate also needed as per the reservation relaxation, medical certificate prescribed also needed. Then disqualification, the person sentenced for any offence involving